That annoying little feature where you come to a stop, the engine shuts off, that everybody gets annoyed with. The auto stop start. Well, what comes with this feature is, well, you're saving fuel and you're reducing emission. But that comes with a cost of a more robust starter and a more stout battery. Or maybe batteries. Some vehicles, but not all vehicles, are equipped with this unique starter called the TS starter, which stands for Tandem Solenoid. The solenoid is, well, the name tandem is like a tandem bicycle. The two windings are tandem to each other, one in front and one in back. Well, what makes this tandem solenoid starter a little bit different is they have two different circuits. And a conventional starter, well, that's not the case. It's just one circuit acting like the solenoid, acting like a relay, and a plunger to engage the gear there. But with this, the two different circuits will allow a little bit more ease to control one circuit just to be controlling motor only, but the other circuit just controlling the meshing, the plunging action only to make engagement. Doing this allows for more of a rapid start in case you need to get this engine back up and going. And if the engine is not completely stalled or stopped, it can still make engagement while the engine is at a RPM speed. So when it comes to diagnosing, since there is two different circuits, when you hear a starter click, old school diagnosing would kind of make us think, well, is the battery just dead, or do I have a faulty starter? Well, just kind of keep in mind, TS solenoid starters got two different separate circuits, so your troubleshooting might have to go into a little more depth. Well, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and always be thorough when it comes to troubleshooting.